Hey guys! Wow. So I have a good news today for you. I just created a mind map for you guys and I will share the link in below in the bio. And okay, I'm gonna tell you what I learned of all the lessons I learned in the global business, in international business. So here's my mind map. Okay. The target of the global business is to reach the emerging markets. But to get to emerging markets, we have to consider the globalization first. These are the international opportunities and what's driven the company to go to global because the effects of the globalization, the technology has to make an impact to you guys that you can make an impact to the whole world. And you guys have the courage and I will provide you the step by step like the activities, like the cultural differences. What are the cultural differences? Like you have to see the key and the values of the other countries, like the barriers that you have to consider, and what are the activities like how can I go global? What can I do? What can I give to the global? You can use export, import, licensing. There are also a direct investment, um, foreign direct investment. I already made this for you guys too. Uh, how can which strategy that you should remain domestic or you should go to FDI, and you can also make a strategic alliance if you have someone you know outside the country and you want to make something. You can use a strategic alliance. There's also joint venture, a merger, and a cross learning agreement. After we learn about the cultural differences and the strategy activity, we go into the emerging market. So to reach the emerging market, it's like China, yeah. China is one of the emerging market. They already fulfilled all these aspects, and also they consider this risk. There is a political risk. You don't want to cause trouble in another country, though, so you have to consider all of this. The national policy, what the countries do, what the countries like, what don't like. You have to follow the rules. Uh, how can you prevent any government intervention? How can you cooperate, negotiate with any intervention that comes? And then what to do when you're reaching an emerging market? What are the bureaucracies? And then how to avoid a boycott, a sanction, and embargo? And there's also a laws then that you have to follow it if you don't want to any war on in insurrection or violence. So to do that, you have to make establish a good strategy. First, you have to make a leadership. You have to have good leadership, and then you adapt. You choose what are the kind of strategy, what are the challenges, the entry. Well, okay, I already decided to go with FDI, or I already decided to go to licensing. What are the market opportunities? I got a cultural similarity, a nature of information, what kind of region that I will choose. So you choose the country carefully, and the human resource is also the same, but you have to consider the employees. Okay, and because international human resource have a lot of challenge because you're talking about the cross cultural employees, that you have to consider that okay, how can he go to this country legally, how can he get a good employment, a good house, a good place to stay, yeah, and fulfill all the seven hierarchies. And also the marketing, how to adapt to make a standard like in McDonald's. You make a standardization, a good standardization, and a lot of companies has have this a lot of example because they have a good adaptation and standardization. They can adapt to any countries, but they have a solid standard, and because they have a solid standard, they all, and then we only got after a good standard and adaptation, we go to the pricing. Which price? How can I win the pricing? Like Uber enters China, they they lose in the pricing strategy, yeah, because they only have the credit card payment back then. because this is the consideration that we have to take. So guys, all of this is all those things that we have to consider to join the global market. I hope you find this video useful, and I'll see you again in the next chapter